coming to you today with a video. I wanted to talk to you today, formally introduce myself to you. I've not made a video explaining who I am and what I'm about, and so this is what the video is going to be about today. So, my name is Mary Swadlinka. I am a mother of 5. I still am raising a 12-year-old daughter, and the other children are grown and out of the house, so she basically is being raised as an only child and feels kind of neglected at times. But anyway, yes, I'm still raising a daughter. I have been searching online for ways to make money throughout the years, because I just wanted to be a stay-at-home mom and earn money and not have to deal with a 9-to-5 job, having a boss telling you what to do, when you could take breaks, when you could go to the bathroom, that kind of really got to me after a while, and so I started doing this online searching, looking for ways to make money. So I have gotten into a couple programs, not doing my due diligence, and learned the fast way, or I should say the hard way, that what I was doing was wrong. I joined these programs that had all these hypes and promises, that you'll make $1,000 by the end of the day. You'll make $100,000, just do this, just things like that. And I put my money into these programs, and I thought I was gonna basically become rich, but found out, they were just out there to take my money. So moving forward into the years going by, I have started doing more due diligence and started following some people, and have come across a few that I follow in particular and have watched their success over the years, and thinking, man, if they can do it, I can do it. A single mom is making 6 figures a year, and I'm thinking, well, if she can do it, I can do it. And so I've been following this person for quite a while, and got to know her on Facebook, and decided, that it was time I'd contact her and find out what she's doing and how she's making this money. And she gave me all the ins and outs of the program. I did join a couple of her programs and am having great success. She's come out with a new one now, and I'm going to share that with you. It is a task-based program where you complete simple tasks, and this is all done on Facebook. We use organic traffic and paid traffic, and in doing this, we make a post a day, we comment and like, we share our enthusiasm, we support each other, and in doing this, we get paid for completing these simple tasks. As of today, I joined the program. It started 2 months ago now. It has produced over $80,000 for its members, and today I have made over $1,800 in less than 2 months. So does this program work? Yes, it does. Can you make a post on Facebook? Yes, you can. It is so simple. So in doing this program, completing these tasks, you create this income. It gets people excited. They want to know more about the program. Like I said, people that have never made a dime online are creating an income, and it's just simply amazing. So in my journey of coming up across programs and not knowing, which ones to join, I've learned that you have to have your ducks lined up in a row. You have to do your due diligence. You have to thoroughly look over the program, see how transparent it is, get to know the owner, put yourself out to do the program, because it is there. You need to take a risk and do the program.